Alright, request for the video of the vent here. I don't know what to say. Got this off of eTrailer. It's designed for being on top of a trailer. It's supposed to block entry from the front. Just screws right down onto the top of whatever you have. There's no sleeve to it. Top screws on and off. I put some caulking on the bolt to keep it from spinning off while I'm driving. Inside I showed before. The sleeve is here. Just a I can't remember, 3-inch or 4-inch PVC piece that fit up inside of it, so I could bring it down through the roof, which is 1 inch. I did not have a collar, so I just built one out of some plywood and ran my bolts through the roof to here, threw some foam and some caulk underneath it on the top, and put this little fan inside here to help ventilate it. The PVC sleeve that I put in is held on with a couple of eye bolts, as you can see, going through here. This is the opposite side, and I ran bolts down through the sleeve. Just threw a nut on this side to hold it in there. It's nice and snug. 12 volt hooked up to my battery on my adjustable speed, variable speed knob here. Anyhow, that's it.